Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to learn an interesting and important topic called whole numbers and integers. This topic is not only important in mathematics but it is also very useful in computers. By understanding these numbers we will be able to understand how computer stores and process information. Today's lesson we will learn what whole numbers are, what integers are and what is the difference between them. We will also understand how these numbers are used in computers and in our daily life. Students, numbers are everywhere. In computers, every operation depends on numbers. Whether we are typing, saving files or playing games, everything is processed using numbers. That is why understanding number is very important. Now let's move to the whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers that starts from 0 and continue forever. यानी ये वो नंबर्स होते हैं जो 0 से स्टार्ट होते हैं और आगे बढ़ते रहते हैं लाइक 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And they do not include negative numbers or fractions. We mainly use whole numbers for counting objects. Now students, let's discuss the properties of whole numbers. First of all, whole numbers do not include any negative numbers. This means we only use 0 and positive numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Secondly, whole numbers include 0. 0 is very important because it represents nothing. But it is still a number and used in calculation. यानी सिफर होल नंबर्स में शामिल तो होता है लेकिन ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये किसी चीज़ के ना होने को जाहिर करता है लेकिन फिर भी एक नंबर है. थर्ड, यूज फॉर काउंटिंग. होल नंबर्स आर मेनली यूज फॉर काउंटिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, काउंटिंग स्टूडेंट्स इन अ क्लास, बुक्स और ऑब्जेक्ट्स. फाइनली, point 4, infinite in size. Finally, whole numbers are infinite. This means they never end. यानी ये वो अमल होता है जो ये वो नंबर होता है जो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होते. वी कैन ऑलवेज ऐड 1 टू गेट अ बिगर नंबर. So students, these are the basic properties of whole numbers that help us understand numbers more clearly. Now students, let's understand what integers are. Integers are numbers that include positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. They do not include fractions or decimal numbers. यानी ये वो नंबर्स होते हैं जिनमें पॉजिटिव भी, नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी और 0 भी शामिल होता है और इसमें कोई भी इशारिये वाली या डेसिमल नंबर्स इंक्लूड नहीं होते. एंड नंबर्स ग्रेटर देन 0 are called positive numbers. Number less than 0 are called negative numbers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. In computers, integers are used to perform calculation, store data and represent values like temperature, scores and position. यानी कंप्यूटर में इंटीजर्स हिसाब लगाने के लिए, डाटा को सेव करने के लिए और वैल्यूज जैसे दर्जा हरारत, स्कोर और पोजीशन जाहिर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इंटीजर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नंबर्स दैट इंक्लूड बोथ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव वैल्यूज. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द टाइप्स ऑफ इंटीजर्स इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. Integers are divided into different types based on their values. These types help the computer to store and handle numerical data in an organized way. The main types of integers are positive integers, negative integers and 0. Positive integers. Positive integers are numbers greater than 0 such as 1, 2, 3 and so on. They are commonly used for counting and indexing. Negative integers. Negative integers are numbers less than 0 such as -1, -2 and -3. They are used to represent loss, temperature below 0 and other decreasing values. 0. 0 is a special integer that is neither positive nor negative. It is used as a neutral value in calculation. So students, these three types together form the complete set of integers used in computer system for different operations. Now let's understand the difference between whole numbers and integers. Whole numbers and integers are both number systems used in mathematics and computer science, but they are not the same. Whole numbers are numbers that start from 0 and include all positive numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers do not include negative numbers. On the other hand, integers include all whole numbers as well as negative numbers like -1, -2, -3 and etc. So, integers can be positive, negative or 0. The main difference is that whole numbers do not have negative values, while integers include negative values as well. In short, all whole numbers are integers, but not all integers are whole numbers. Now let's understand how whole numbers and integers are used in computer system. In computers, whole numbers are mainly used for counting and indexing purposes. For example, they are used in loops, arrays, memory addresses and counting items where negative values are not required. Integers. Integers are used in situations where both positive and negative values are needed. For example, they are used in temperature calculation, financial transactions like profit or loss, game scores and scientific calculations. So computer store both whole numbers and integers in binary form 0 and 1. But integer requires special handling to represent negative values. So whole numbers are used for simple counting tasks, while integers are used for complex calculation involving both positive and negative values. Let's look at some real life examples where whole numbers and integers are used. Bank balance. In banking, integers are used to show money. Positive values show deposits, while negative values show withdrawal loss. Number 2. Temperature. Temperature uses integers because it can go above 0 like positive and below 0 negative, such as 25 degrees C or -5 degrees C. Number 3. Game scores. In games, scores are representing using integers. Points can increase positive or decrease like negative depending on performance. Number 4. Data storage. In computers, whole numbers are used to represent data size, counting files, memory location and storage capacity, where only positive values are required. So whole numbers and integers are widely used in real life to represent both counting values and positive negative changes. Now let's summarize today's lesson. Whole numbers and integers are important number system used in computer science and mathematics. Whole numbers start from 0 and include only positive numbers. They are mainly used for counting and indexing in computer system. On the other hand, integers include whole number as well as negative numbers. They are used in situations where both increase and decrease values are needed, such as temperature, bank balance and game scores. Computers store both whole numbers and integers in binary form to process data efficiently. In conclusion, understanding whole numbers and integers helps us understand how computers handle numerical data in real life applications. Let's talk about your homework. Open your book and read page number 13 and 14 carefully. After reading, write the following instructions or questions in your notebook. Complete your homework carefully and bring your notebook in the next class. Thank you and see you the next class.